Hi! In front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this smartphone. Firstly, just access Settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Now you need to scroll down, choose Font Style and click on one of those, or select Download Tool and tap on one of those options. I will go with this one. Now you need to select Download, wait a bit and click on Apply. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, style of my font has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, click on Font Style and tap on Default to go back into your default one, then just Apply. If you wish to delete one of your downloaded fonts, you can do that by clicking on the chosen one and tapping on this delete icon at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!